Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special type of video today, and it is a video on how to use the app Fluz. I've been using it for quite some time, and I get quite a bit of questions on how to use it. Could you post a video, Sarah, on a quick tutorial? And that's definitely what I'm here today to do for you, because it will be simple where I can just link the video and then you can watch it whenever you need to make a reference for it. So first we'll get down to the basics. Some people don't know what Fluz is, some people do, but Fluz is a gift card app where you can stack it with other rebate apps in order to save additional money. So if you're going to go into Walmart or you are going to go into Lowe's, you can buy the gift card and then pay with that gift card and get additional cash back. Then there's something called vouchers, and vouchers are something you get when you sign up and when other people sign up using your code, and you get to save up to 35% cash back at certain places, and they're called voucher stores. Voucher stores are like CVS, which we use the most. That's what I use the most. Somewhere like Uber Eats or DoorDash or Buffalo Wild Wings, places like that. And when you sign up, you are given voucher stores, and not everyone gets the same. When I very first signed up for Fluz, I got Starbucks, and I was so happy about that. But anyways, that's what a voucher is. You get this voucher on your account where you can basically buy a gift card and get 35% cash back. Some places are 20%, but you get 35% cash back. So what happens is when you purchase the gift card, say to CVS, then that extra 35% goes into your account, and then you can bank that money and you can withdraw it when you are ready to. So how do you get started with Fluz? You just sign up with the link down below in the description box, and it's going to take you to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and you download the app. Then of course you follow the steps to sign up. So once you sign up, then what you do is you buy your first gift card. You'll have a list of vouchers that you can use. As you can see, mine are CVS because that is my store. But there are other places too. I've used it for DoorDash. I've used it for Burger King. But you can buy a gift card anytime that isn't a voucher store and still get cash back. You've got places like Walmart. You've got Bath and Body Works. I am definitely going to be buying a gift card to Bath and Body Works when Candle Day comes to get cash back. You can also, if you have Hulu, you can buy a gift card to Hulu and get cash back, and then you can put that on your Hulu account. So that is amazing. So the next question I get is, how do I use Fluz? Like, how do I buy the gift card? How do I use the gift card? And then what do I do with the money that I accumulate? How do I get that? First thing you're going to do after you've signed up and you're ready to buy your first gift card is you're going to go to pay, and you're going to have a list there that's going to show voucher stores. So you're going to have, for me, I have Uber Eats, CVS, Dunkin' Donuts, DoorDash, Domino's, Chipotle, Hulu, and then there's some few other stores there that I don't use or don't have in my area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on CVS, and then what I'm going to do is it's going to list a bunch of denominations. You're going to want to hit $10 and hit continue. Then what you will want to do on this portion, so then you're just going to click on what way you want to pay for your card. I have my bank linked, I have my Apple Pay linked, and I have my debit card linked. Then you can choose your Fluz balance or apply a voucher, and then you're going to hit purchase. Then a passcode to confirm will be used. When you're setting up your app, there will be a passcode, like a little PIN number, that you will be asked to make, and this is just a security feature. So say you bought a gift card before you even went into the store. You did your shopping, and now it's time to check out. Now we're going to look at how we find our gift card. So you're going to go back to the Pay tab, and you're going to go under My Purchases. So under the little search tab there's all stores, my purchases, and how to pay. You're going to tap my purchases, and all of the gift cards that you have bought will be listed there, and you tap the one that you bought. Your passcode will come up again. What will happen is you will have a gift card number, a barcode, and a PIN number. If you've ever used like a Fetch Rewards gift card at CVS, you know that they need a PIN number. Now, if you scroll down under this little section here, it will show you more on how to use it, but you basically just need to show them that, or you can make the barcode bigger, and then it's easier for them to scan it if they have trouble scanning it. So previously with Fluz, in order for you to cash out, you could only cash out getting a prepaid Visa gift card. Now when you go to the little balance up at the top left-hand corner and you tap that, what will happen is it will bring up a page where you can see your balance and you can transfer it, and then you hit transfer, and then you can choose either a gift card or you can have it go to your bank account now, so you can have that cash directly put into your bank account, and that is a newer feature. But you do need $26 to withdraw that, and that's no different than something like Ibotta, so we're definitely used to something like that. But after purchasing a few gift cards, that adds up quickly. The next question I get a lot is, if I sign up with Fluz under you and I get my 3 vouchers, what do I do after I have my 3 vouchers? Well, I definitely have the answer for you. So like with Ibotta and Fetch Rewards, if you have people sign up using your code, you get a little bit of a kickback. With Fluz, you get 3 more vouchers, and you have 60 days to use those vouchers. But what if you're not comfortable with asking people to do that, or you're just you and you don't have people that would really sign up? That's simple. So you want to go to the community section on the Fluz website. There is a forum where other couponers and other people that want to save money are making posts. And when you make a post, within a very short time, you get 3 more vouchers. And you can get 3 vouchers per month doing that. If you're couponing at CVS like I do, that's 3 vouchers that you can use every week. And 9 times out of 10, 3 Fluz gift cards will get me through the month with couponing at CVS, because a lot of times my totals are just a few dollars in taxes. So you just go in there and make a quick post about how you like to save money, what's your favorite way to use Fluz, and different things like that. So it's definitely something that you can do that takes just a few minutes, and then they will reward you with more vouchers. And the last thing I want to talk about is bonuses. And after I talk about this, then we'll get into the giveaway. So when you use Fluz, there's actually a very nice compensation plan where you can earn back quite a bit of money, and it's called the 2K Challenge. The 2K Challenge is a tiered bonus where you complete different steps, and along the way you earn extra cash back. And when you get to the end of it, you'll end up earning $2,000 in total. So the first step is the starter bonus. And when you go under the Earn tab and you go down below a little bit, hit See Details on the $5 Quick Start bonus, and it will list the different steps that you need to do to earn an additional $5 back. You've got to earn your first cash back, pay with Fluz for the first time, enable notifications, set a network goal, get missed earnings by linking your bank account if you choose to do that, and pick 5 favorite stores. Then if you go down to the next step, that is to become a leader, and you can earn up to $180 by completing these steps. And you have the High 5 milestone. Share Fluz with 5 friends that pay for their first gift card, and you get an additional $10. Then you have the Big 10 bonus, the 2x10 bonus, and each time though you reach those tiers, you get additional bonuses. Then when you scroll down into the 2K and bonuses, there is just a tracker down there, and it shows you how far you are to get to that bonus if that interests you. So that is really all I have on how to use Fluz. It's very quick, it's very simple, it's very easy to use. So what you'll want to do to get in on the giveaway is you will want to sign up with Fluz using my link down below in the description box. And you will want to sign up with Fluz and purchase your first gift card. Now you don't have to do CVS. Maybe you're not a CVS couponer. So if you're not doing CVS and you're going to order pizza tonight, go to Domino's and buy your gift card, and then you'll be entered into the giveaway. It's really that simple. You definitely want to use it at places you know that you're already going to be spending money at. You don't need to go out of your way to spend additional money on something like this. So once you sign up and get your first gift card, you will be entered into the giveaway, and it will be for $100 of a gift card of your choice that is listed down below. So I will announce the winner of the giveaway on September 17th on Instagram and YouTube in the community tab, and I will place up a quick video of who the winner is. So that's it, guys. That's all I have for you today. I hope this tutorial was easy to understand and that it's helpful for you, and I will definitely reference back to this video in the future. So if you have any questions, please drop them down below. I will do the best that I can to answer them, and thank you so much for watching, and have a great day, guys. Bye.